occasion, Nikhil, to say some Hindi words.
Hello everyone, this is Nikhil studying third standard in Shishanta Niketa English Medium School, Gorinta. Today I am telling about Bhatkari Shabda.
Hello everyone, this is Keloke studying in third standard in our Shishanti Niketa English Medium School, Gorinta. Today I am telling about Bhatkari Shabda.
Kanakka,
Gold,
Chamanna,
Garden,
Mahalla,
Palace,
Now,
Road,
Rani,
Queen,
Star,
Giri,
Mountain,
Timir,
Darkness,
Meeta,
Sweet,
Sheetal,
Cool,
Gulab,
Rose,
Ruchi,
Taste,
Dukan,
Shop,
Boda,
Old Man,
Ped,
Tree,
Sher,
Lion,
Tail,
Oil,
Maida,
Ground,
Topi,
Hat,
Jodi,
Tail,
Kawa,
Crow,
Nauka,
Servant,
Graha,
House,
Grahamantri,
Home Minister,
Bamdar,
Monkey,
Bamdir,
Temple,
Dant,
Teeth,
Bansuri.
Flute.
Thank
you everyone.
Such a good one. Give an appreciation.